Fatih Şen, Merjek.
Hello, everyone. I am Fatih, and I'm one of the co-founders of Merjek AI. And I also have another co-founder, Brad. He doesn't live in Memphis. He lives up north in Massachusetts, and he's sending his greetings. The plan was to come here to join this event, but due to some family emergencies, he couldn't make it. So let's start. All right. So I would like to talk about how I came up with this idea with this Merjek AI. So by the way, I am a teaching professor in the Department of Computer Science here at the University of Memphis, and I just actually walked after my class to here, so it was easy to come here. And over years, I observed a pattern. So we, as advisors, as professors, we are also supposed to advise students. Students are coming to us for their courses, course selections, how to register their courses, or if they have any type of questions, they come to us, and our job is to help them with that. And over the years, I observed three main challenges, and one of them was that they struggle with timely advising, the first one. And the second one is on our side as advisors, we really face repetitive questions. Like they come and ask almost like maybe 70% of the questions are the same. And also not just that, we also have this inconsistent scheduling, because every semester our schedule is changing, students' schedule change. And another thing is the policy changes, right? Like the policies change in each department within the organization, and which is normal, but it's for us, it's really hard to keep up with this change. And the third challenge that I observed is the fragmented institutional knowledge. So as advisors, all of us has their own database, like our own nodes. But what happens if we leave, right? Nobody will work here forever. So those are the challenges that I observed over the years. But this inspired something. So after I met Brad, and after we had some interactions with some potential customers, we found out the core problem that's really important, which really excites us: the disconnected knowledge silos and the absence of an intelligent system. Organizations are drawn on knowledge silos, and it's disconnected. And also, there is really lack of intelligent systems that can handle those disconnection issues. And this problem really applies to tens of thousands of organizations. And we know that because we reached out some verticals, some different organizations in different markets, and we were kind of confirmed by the organizations that they do face this kind of problem. As a solution, we provide a knowledge base, a single accessible, manageable knowledge base platform where organizations can launch AI assistants and to provide instant and context-aware support for their people and on demand. And let me show very quick about the architecture, how things are. So this knowledge platform, knowledge-based platform I'm talking about is this PMS, which stands for Prompt Management System, considered like a content management system, but more specifically based on your prompt data. And this prompt data is stored in a database. We prefer to call it a knowledge base, and the organizations can use PMS to launch AI assistants. It's that easy. And then the AI assistant on the backend is running with our API. So we also built API, and it's model agnostic. The API is like the bridge between the knowledge base and LLM models, and also between the AI assistant. So whenever users ask questions, they will get immediate answer based on the model they choose. So, and if we have some time left, I can show very quick how the platform looks like, but you can also try it out. This is the QR code feel free to visit this platform with this QR code, or just simply go to merjek.ai. You will see our, on the right top, Jessica. So we built our own AI assistant. We named this Jessica, and you can feel free to ask any type of questions regarding Merjek AI. So let's talk about markets. Primarily, we have been in touch with some academic departments here at the University of Memphis. And besides this higher education, we are also in touch with some local governments, like counties, cities, and Brett, actually my other co-founder, is dealing with this. And also, we are in touch with some private organizations. And for example, one of them is mental health facility. And they are really super interested in our platform. And yeah, so I have to be honest, like this higher education, takes a long time in terms of sales cycle. So that's the reason we are trying to also target some other markets like government, local governments, institutions, or private companies. And how are we different from our competitors? And so the horizontal axis is about how much control, how much generic our platform can be, or all other platforms can be. And the vertical axis is about the intelligence level. So we are positioned at the top right, meaning we are both intelligent and custom. So our platform can be customized for many different verticals. That's the most thing that excites us, because it can be really adapted to many different verticals. And this is the timeline. As I said, we have been piloting with some academic departments here at this university, and we are also piloting with some private companies. So at the end of this quarter, we will keep doing whatever we do, actually, this last quarter of this year. But next year, our purpose is to come to get a point where it's time to scale. So that's what we want. And to do that, of course, we need help from investors. We are raising $500,000 pre-seed funding, angel funding, by the way, and one-fifth will be gone to product development, and we plan to use 1/3 for sales and marketing, and just 15% for AI infrastructure and hosting. Currently, everything is out of our own pocket, including this AI infrastructure and hosting. And 10% will be going to operations support, and the rest will be used for all other expenses. So again, this is me, Fatih, and here Brett, and I am mostly the technical guy. So I built the whole platform, all of them, and I also see the overall operations. And Brett is in charge with all business development tasks, and including marketing and sales. And the way we met was very interesting. Before we met, even remember we had the speech rehearsal day. Even we didn't met then. So we recently met. I can say maybe last few months. Before we met, we pitched the idea, the same idea and the same solution to different people, different markets. And then we met on Y Combinator's startup matching, co-founder matching tool platform. Some of you, I'm sure you are familiar with it. And since then, we have been working together. And according to his funny saying, it was cosmic coincidence, according to the saying. Yeah, I wish he could make it here, but maybe next time. Yeah, so that's it. To reach out to me, this is my email, or Jessica, our AI assistant. Thanks so much. Any questions?
Could you give me? Oh, go ahead. Yeah, I was just going to say, maybe could you walk us through an example of what one of those verticals could be, so we can kind of imagine what that would be.
The platform.
Yeah.
Yes.
A use case.
Here, this is our main website. So you come here, you just click here. It's coming, right? It will be hard for me to deal with this, but I will do like this. Okay. So here, I hope you see it. Here, if you click here, you will be directed to this AI assistant. This is our AI assistant, by the way. You can have your own, as I said. And let's say what's Merjek AI is about. And now here, okay, we need to click the send. All right, now AI is thinking. And it will give some real answers. So here you go. So we have all these answers here, including, well, including this images. That's the best part of it. Yeah. So the way you write blog articles and put information, right? Just think like the way you put this information in your PMS, and the AI can make reasoning out of your content, along with text and images. So one thing I want to show too here is the PMS I am talking about. Where is that? Here. All right. So this is the PMS. Well, so we have the dashboard, and if you want to just add data, you come here and here, import chat data or add new chat. You see, like here, we have a lot of information about Merjek AI. That's what we put, and that's how this is our database. And here is an AI assistant. Oh, I wish I would have had it before. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, okay, that looks way better, right? Okay. So here you see a bunch of like AI assistant launched, and for different organizations. By the way, we have here affiliation. Affiliation means either an individual or a group within organization. So in one organization, you can have multiple groups, right? So for each group, you can have an AI assistant basically. And even from today, you can launch your own AI assistant as one individual. So this also platform allows that. And it also has some different features like branding and such. And yeah, I mean, that's basically it. And I don't want to go that much in details, but that's on PMS, you can manage your data and launch your AI assistant. Yeah. Another question?
Yeah, I have one. Do you plan on keeping it in a web browser? Like, do you plan on like keeping it native to just going to Jessica, the link, just keeping it native that easy?
Yeah. All you need to do is like have the link right on your website somewhere. We also plan to actually integrate to the website itself later, like the typical chatbots, right? But for now, it's working like this for now. But as I said, we plan also to have the mobile version. It's already mobile responsive, but mobile app version in near future. Thank you. Yeah, thanks so much.